In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install AliExpress on your PC or laptop in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, open any web browser from your desktop. In the search bar, type AliExpress and press enter. From the results, click on the official link, aliexpress.com. This will take you to the AliExpress website. Now log in with your account or create one if you don't have it yet. Enter your details and click Sign In. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots menu. Scroll down until you see the option Cast, Save, and Share. Hover over it and click Install Page as App. Next, click the Install button when it appears. The AliExpress app will now install on your computer. You'll see its icon appear in your taskbar, and a shortcut will also be created on your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed AliExpress on your PC or laptop in just a few simple steps.